Man, there is nothing like just coming out here, zoning out, taking a deep breath and just letting everything go. All your thoughts, all your ideas, your concerns, your worries. Let the day melt away. Let yourself get grounded and feel what life is truly about. See, that's the thing I love about coming out here. It's just the chill nature of nature. I mean, it's so freaking laid back, man. So relaxing. And I wish I just had a chair. I would just open it up right here. I could sit out here probably for hours, just like read a book and drink like a warm coffee with some cookies and stuff. Yeah, this is just nice. It's peaceful, it's quiet. Let me show you this side over here real quick. Check this out. See that? There's a tranquility and peace out here that you just can't find in a city, that you can't find in a town, that you can't find in your own home even. The reason being, I think, is that this is the fundamental. What we are seeing out here is the fundamental nature of our world. That is dirt, water, trees, plants, animals. Here, let me show you something. Look at that sun. Completely covered, obscured behind a veil of clouds and trees. Love seeing this snow. Another thing that I think is really cool is just seeing like the wall of trees and then the snow outlining the ground beneath the trees. I just think that's really cool. It's beautiful, really. Just hear that silence. Listen to that silence. Wow. Anyways, this artificial reality that I'm finding myself in right now is calling to me to go and explore a little bit and just walk around and think. But anyways, I digress. All right, take it easy, guys. Thanks for watching.